Whoa. So yeah, me and Jesse are in Nashville today, back from Florida. Just kind of chilling out in the city a little bit. We're hopping on the bird scooters, boy. Look at that man hide. Look at that hide.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.
Live from Nashville.
Good world going back.
Falling and busting it. This man Jesse is getting it. I'm gonna fall, I swear. I gotta calm down. Whoa. Jesse's off-road. Whoa, never been seen before on the bird. Never been seen before on the bird off-road riding. I say we just start an underground bird racing league. These things are nice, man. This is an official Noah Keener bird review. First ever Noah Keener bird review, and let me tell you. All right, so this is the biggest hill that we could find in Nashville, downtown Nashville, without getting hit with cars. This is the bird speed test. That was the speed test for the bird. I'm pretty sure I went like, what do you say, like 25?
Maybe a little over.
A little bit, like 30. We'll say 30. 30 MPGs. I'm going under the picture. Sorry. Back to the review. Definitely recommended. I think it's what, like 10 bucks high to ride these things?
It's like 30 cents a minute.
30 cents a minute? A mile?
Yeah, 30 cents a mile.
How far? We probably only rode like maybe like 10 minutes. I'm still cruising on my little, I had like what, $8 I've been cruising on?
Yeah, probably like $6, $8.
And like it gives you like the opportunity to like experience Nashville from a different perspective. You're not in a car, you're not walking, you're just zooming through the back alleys. Found some nice spots over there I've never seen before. Thanks to the good old trusty.
Got the flashlight,
Bird. And it has a flashlight for nighttime riding.
which is not useful anymore.
Nah, because they canceled nighttime riding because like, I want to say at least 10 people died in Nashville riding, like dead, done.
In a month.
They're no more. You want to go down there, Jesse? You want to go down there?
Down there.
All right, let's go. Oh, now we're here. That was quick, bro. You look comfortable as hell. I'm telling you, people need to start vlogging because this jumping around stuff is kind of getting a little crazy.
We've been all over the place.
All over the place.
Who was over there on that bridge?
Literally hit that bridge first.
Then that one.
Came all the way around the stadium like 12 times. All the way around this way, up that bridge, all the way down. Here's your review on the bird scooters. These things kind of rip.
They got a lot of acceleration. Got a lot of top end speed.
This is probably a good place to end the review. The bird review, I give it a 5 stars all the way around. 5-star review. So, peace. Nissan Stadium, where the Titans continue to take L's every single year. Every year, bro. And I think I know what we need. We need a new stadium. I think if we get a new stadium, more fans will get in the game. People will be like, all right, and the players that want to win. Finally made out the parade. They just asked me to volunteer in the parade as an extra photographer. And we're going to be English later. The direct deposit, I should say.